All right, guys. Ooh, I look so raggedy right now. I'm doing my makeup. I'm vlogging. Today is my class. I just finished doing makeup. I shouldn't have even been taking appointments today, but the way I'm greedy, so yeah, here we are. I'm about to hurry up and do my makeup, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys once I have everything done. Okay, my ear itch. But I just finished doing my hair and my makeup. First, me and my sister have to stop at our air. She's calling me right now. Here, I'm gonna let you guys hear how ignorant she is. Just listen. Hello?
My you ready?
Yeah, my cute. I just need you to grab this box. Dude, just so we can make this one trip. It's a small box. She hates doing stuff. Hey, I'm about to unlock the door for you. Fix your face. Right, you got on the tube top. Alright. I told you guys. Yeah, so we gotta go to our Airbnb first. And then, and make sure everything is good with that. And then I gotta go to Raising Cane's to get the food, which I'm gonna call before, because then I have to be there at the school at 2 o'clock.
Jimmy, you got makeup all over that shirt. You know that?
Uh-huh.
You gonna wear that like that?
Yep.
Why?
Because
what?
I don't care.
No, you need to color a different shirt. That's nasty. That's why it's calling your ass nasty on your YouTube channel.
So what?
You gonna have comments talking about you ain't got no subscribers because you nasty.
That's so funny. Will we let you walk out the house like that?
I'm just confused. What's the problem?
Why are you screaming? Let me give you a megaphone.
I'm so confused. What the problem is?
Don't be coy. Okay guys, I'm here. I'm setting up. I'm trying to think what is gonna be easier, if I reach over her to grab the makeup or... Hi, good, how are you? I just got this plane. You can sit wherever you feel comfortable. This is my sister. Hi. And my slave for the day. And yeah, did you talk to mommy? Call Deja.
Oh, that's my daughter's name, Deja.
Really?
Yeah.
How old is she?
21.
Oh.
Yeah.
And how's your skin? Normal, accommodation, oily, dry?
It's kind of dry.
Dry, so you don't get oily anywhere?
No.
Okay.
I brought everything in the little box. Is that all we need?
Mm-hmm. I tell people to bring, like, you can bring all your makeup, whatever you don't have, I'll provide. Yeah, so no. Yeah, no, it's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Most people do just are like, let me just bring all my makeup. So whatever you, that's why I have it all set out. So
okay.
I will give you whatever you don't have. Okay, all right, we gotta throw the whole juice away.
Okay.
You said Lexus, right? Yeah. Thomas Trail.
Yeah.
What did you start out with? So what was your prices when you started?
$35.
Okay, so that's where I'm at right now.
Yeah.
Everybody looks at me crazy, and I'm like, I feel like that's a fair. Cause I'm like just starting out.
Yeah.
And I'm like,
Yeah, that's what I
You'll
did.
get there. And when you get there, then you're going to be like, oh no, you're paying this.
right.
Feel that comfortable? That's what you charge.
Yeah, because then I had went up to, like, because I was trying to compete with Mac for a while.
Did you get the crayon case?
Oh, I was on it.
I was on the website, literally about to hit checkout, and it was like sold out. I was like,
Literally, I had an alarm set.
I saw it on your Instagram.
Yeah, because I took a client this morning. I took her at 10 o'clock, or did I take her at 9? No, I took her at 10. She got there early. My alarm went off at 10. I'm like, I'm so sorry. I got to do this real fast.
Exactly.
And basically, it was my PayPal, so I didn't have to fill anything out.
That's what it was.
Is to use a lot. Not too much, but you need a thick amount. Like, you cannot use a little bit. If you use a little bit, then it's not going to give you like a super clean, defined look.
This one first, Jamie?
Huh? Yeah, the first one. As you guys see, it's like my favorite products in here. I always use them.
Oh my
so you got
God.
the Milani highlight, you got the Jaclyn Hill palette, you got the Fenty primer, you got their eyelashes, you got that big beauty blender I be using.
Wipes, spray.
My favorite makeup wipes.
And I made it personal.
And the winner is, drum roll please.
Okay, Dave, come pick one.
There, you're supposed to do drum roll wide. Drum roll please. Sorry, y'all.
Lana?
Lana.
Lana?
Lana.
Lana. Oh, you won. Thank you.
Oh.
Lana. Yeah, Lana.
Alright, so wait, we need one more for this, for the makeup application.
Oh, okay.
Because she can't win twice, right?
Okay.
Alright, drum roll please. And the winner is Samuela.
I would say I learned a lot more about my damn eyebrows. Like, what was I doing prior to this? Like, I don't know. They look great. Anyways, I feel like you were very informative and like you were very hands-on. Like, even though like you were up there, like I ever did like a pro class or like a specifically for makeup artists, like we could do like a person.
I plan to do that, but like I feel like I gotta get more of these under my belt and then like build up my rapport a lot more. So when I say like I'm having an 8-hour pro class like that, I really want to have classes like that to help aspiring artists. 'Cause I'm like, I didn't have that. Like I literally was just learning like looking at other people. So I can have like an 8-hour class in depth to teach people everything where we talk about like like.
I was like, it's already 6 o'clock. Work do not feel like this.
Makeup is fun. You're having fun.
Exactly. That's why I love when you do clients and stuff. Oh, but anyways, it was a really great time. I loved it. I love you. Just keep stalking your social media.
I got a better understanding of how to mesh everything together, make it seamless again like I wanted it to be. And I feel like I've accomplished being confident enough to do my makeup for able to like kind of know how to do my foundation and make everything blend well together, so I wouldn't have to call Jamie so she can do my makeup on my birthday. I want to be able to do it for myself. So I'm really confident and just overall.
I feel like you're going in the right direction. Instagram bio. I feel like you're really going in a good direction.
Would you say that I could start doing that, or like
I would say like
beginner or
like you can put aspiring makeup artists and start just posting on Instagram. Do the
that's what I
hashtags.
want to be able to. That's what I do want to be able to do.